Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfectly crispy grilled cheese sandwich in the air fryer. It's quick, simple and honestly one of the easiest ways to get that golden crunchy crust with perfectly melted cheese inside. For this recipe you'll need 2 slices of bread, melted butter, mayonnaise, 3 slices of cheddar cheese. First, I took 2 slices of bread and spread melted butter on one side of each slice. Make sure you spread it evenly all the way to the edges. This helps create that beautiful golden crust. Then I flipped the slices over and spread mayonnaise on the other side of both pieces of bread. Using both butter and mayonnaise might sound unusual, but it really makes a difference. The butter gives richness and flavor, while the mayonnaise helps create an extra crispy texture when it cooks. Next, I took 1 slice of bread and placed it butter side down. On that buttered side, I added 3 slices of cheddar cheese. I used cheddar because it melts perfectly and has a strong, creamy flavor. Then I placed the second slice of bread on top, making sure the mayonnaise side was facing up. So now the sandwich is ready to go. Before placing it in the air fryer, I put a piece of baking paper in the basket. This helps keep everything clean and prevents sticking. I baked it at 190 degrees Celsius. Depending on your air fryer, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes per side. Once the first side turned golden brown and crispy, I carefully flipped the sandwich and baked the other side until it was evenly toasted and beautifully crunchy. When it's done, the outside is perfectly crispy and the cheese inside is completely melted and gooey. And that's it, an easy crispy grilled cheese sandwich made right in the air fryer.